Glam AI App Tutorial Full Beginner Guide. So, basically, you're gonna have to go ahead and start with the first step, which is obviously downloading it and launching. It's expected that you've already finished this, so the next is to pretty much just pressing on this Let's Start button when you open the app. And go ahead and put in your details, pretty much logging in into Glam AI. So, once you're done with that, it's gonna start preparing for you. There's a plan here if you wanna go ahead and try, but there are some features you can still use without doing that plan. So over here, you should be able to go ahead and see all the options you have, AI clothes, styles, or whatever. Go ahead and look at the modes you can choose. You can decide between photo mode or video mode and explore the broad range of AI styles. Either there's anime stuff, neon sketch, digital clothes, and more. And you can need outfit swaps. You can try the digital clothes as well. But anyways, if you want to go ahead and start mainly, just go ahead and press on the plus button over here. So right here we have a picture of Gojo, and we can go ahead and choose our style. Take note, if it's pro, there's gonna be a pro button or little symbol on the top left. You can only use that if you have pro, of course. So the only ones you can use are the free ones. So just go ahead to the one you want. Maybe you want AI clothes. If there's pro, if there's no pro, then you can choose that. But since they're all pro, then there's unfortunately nothing you can do unless you go ahead and choose on pro subscription. Let's go ahead and choose this one. It's a free one, so we can just go ahead and try it anyway. But in mind that whenever you do, it's gonna cost you up some coins. But anyways, once you go ahead and choose, it's gonna go ahead and prepare it and process it for you, and it's gonna show you how long it's gonna take, and of course, upgrading it will pretty much finish it faster. Well, once it's done, it should be able to notify you, but that's pretty much basically how you use Glam AI. It's very simple. It All you have to do is choose your media and then choose a style and wait for it to process. But anyways, that's how you use Glam AI, and if this video can help you, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.